I think it's going. Hello, good morning. Wow, it is way too early in the morning to be taking a trade. Um, I'm so tired. However, I'm going short on NVDA. Well, I actually just exited my position, but I would like to go over my confluences, my high time frame biases, and whatnot. Um, Sweet. So let's go through on the weekly and just look. On the weekly, we are continuing a bullish structure, bullish formation, a high then a low, low then a high, high then a low, low then a high. We are making bullish structure right here. So we are going up on the weekly. However, on the daily, we last had, so we'll kind of go through and just mark it out, but high then a low, so break a structure to the up, or trend continuation to the upside. Low then a high, high then a low, low then a high. Then we break structure to the downside, high then a low right here. Then we go up, so now we break structure to the upside. So now we have a mini bullish trend. And then some kind of consolidation, some kind of chop. Then we break structure to the downside again. And now this was kind of the selling point for my reason to go short today, because we had come right back into an order block. If you don't know what an order block is, it is the leg up right here prior to the break of structure to the downside. Leg up, break of structure. So, keeping that in mind, on the daily, we have this daily order block right here. We broke structure, came right back in. NVIDIA earnings, I didn't want to trade this. However, I was willing to wait for price action to develop a little bit more and see what we could do. Similar to last time, I'm going to show what I got filled in at, what I sold at. Stop loss wasn't hit, both take profits were hit. Now, the reason that my take profit wasn't any further, there wasn't any, I guess, like farther down. I got filled immediately at market open, and if we look right down here, this is daily liquidity. This is super high time frame liquidity. Price, even right now, looks like it's reacting very positively after sweeping this out. So, take profit is done for both of them. This was one of those swing trades that I wanted to do and hold all the way down here. I think I opted in for the 132 put, 132 strike put, and then the 128. No specific reason. I think those were kind of discounted at the best price. Those are the more fair options today, in my opinion. So, yeah, just literally caught this whole thing down. Now, what could have gone wrong with this trade? If we look, and I mean, like, I've been only trading, or I've been only trying to trade based off of my super high time frame confluences and that kind of stuff. But we could have seen price come up here and then rally to the downside, high then the low, so there's liquidity above there. However, if I'm gonna short sell, I might as well just short sell. I'm just gonna go short at open and be confident in my high time frame plan, my high time frame bias, because I think that is way more important than anything. So, um, yeah, this trade I was hoping. I, I just wanted to take profit here and get out. I did end up buying two contracts, so I did kind of, you know, did kind of get soft and took take profit for both of them here. Probably could have, waited to see price get down to 132, and then I would have been in the money. So it's okay though. Overall, a good trade. Very very happy with it. Very happy with my analysis. Like I said, came right into this order block. Then I looked for got a high time frame breaking structure to the downside. Sweet. Let's look at our 4 hours, see what's happening. We have consistent. We are keeping consistent, bullish, um, or I'm sorry, bearish structure. So we break to the downside, then we break to the upside right here, and then break to the downside. Let me just draw it out. So we break structure to the upside here, showing a reversal in trend. Then we break structure to the downside, do it once more, and then might as well just get filled in right here. Then try to time it perfectly, then wait for liquidity up here to be swept. So yeah, I think NVIDIA for the it's going to be interesting to see how this week plays out, um, especially because looking at a possible we're looking at a possible break at this level right here. Shoot, let me get the magnet at 137.15. If we break structure below here, it's gonna be very interesting to see how NVIDIA will change as a stock, and um, using puts is super nice because it allows me to hedge my position, hedge any losses. So yeah, that's it. I'm kind of just yapping at this point. I'm gonna include screenshots, gonna include like what I got filled at, take profit, all that stuff. Show it on here as well. So yeah, um, looking as well as at other options. Amazon absolutely ripped up today, and who knows what's happening with them. If you didn't keep up, or I don't think I uploaded my position on that. However, I called out. I don't know if I uploaded this YouTube video, but I did call out Apple longs around last week, and yeah, Apple is doing phenomenal um, as far as anybody's concerned. So yeah, super interesting to see. But for today, NVIDIA puts where they move cashed in. I will do some more analysis and look at stuff after the day is done today. However, I'm done. I'm going back to bed. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I need to sleep. So, with that in mind, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.